Hey everyone, this is Mike from Fastgen, and today I'll show you our new tab design within Fastgen, why it makes you even faster, and how to use it. So as you see right here, you now have the ability to open tabs within Fastgen. So you can switch between these different areas by just clicking on them. And you can open new tabs. A new tab will always, if you just open it, lead you to the dashboard. And then from there, you can go to different areas. If you click around here, it will automatically lead you to where you want to be. So you can add new tabs by pressing this. You can also press Alt-T on Windows or Option-T on Mac. That will open a new tab for you like this. And then what you can also do is you can click on specific areas within Fastgen, and then you press Control left click to open it in a new tab. Or on Mac, you use Command left click to open it in a new tab. Like for example, workflows or the database. We also have some shortcuts for you beyond that. So if you want to switch around between different areas, you can use Alt or Option and then the left and right arrow key. This works like this. Or you can also press Alt and then the number, like for example, number 1 to get to the first one. And again, on Mac, it's Option and the number. And you can just switch around between the tabs, similar to how you're used to it from a normal browser. And why is this actually helpful? It is helpful because now you can switch between different areas of Fastgen much easier and much faster. And this is the feedback that we got from the users, that they wanted to be able to see the context data in one area and then use it to build something somewhere else. So in this example here, you have the database table open and you have the API that is accessing data from the database table. So you can now switch around between it very quickly, take a look at the columns. Maybe you want to test it out, see if you can add some data, then you see it in there live, and just make it easier for you to switch around between different areas. You can do the same with the debug mode and the live building mode. So if you want to switch around between them, now you can just do it at the click of either at one click or by using the shortcuts that I showed you earlier. And we think that it, again, makes you faster and will enable you to just get more context in very quickly. You can also close tabs with a shortcut. So you can just use Alt or Option W to close tabs. And we also have a new feedback button here where you can just tell us what you want to tell us. Maybe you discover something. Maybe you just have an idea. Maybe you have a feature request. Just put it in here and we will see it in our system and then we can use it internally. So this is tabs, very simple but very powerful. We would love to hear what you think about it. If you have any context, any questions, anything you want to tell us, you can join our Slack community. And as always, we hope you build some great stuff. So have a good rest of your day and happy building.